Attention, all home sellers. Are you ready to uncover the secrets to a successful sale? Get excited because I'm about to share game-changing tips and tricks that will elevate your home selling experience to a whole new level. So grab your favorite cup of coffee and sit back and let's dive right in. Welcome to our brand new video series, Winning the Home Selling Game, Strategic Moves for a Successful Sale. I'm thrilled to have you join us. I'm your host, Evelyn Lopes from the Evelyn Lopes Realty Team. And together in the upcoming episodes, we'll explore the ins and outs of selling your home. Whether you're a first-time home seller or a seasoned pro, get ready for a treasure trove of valuable tips and practical information designed exclusively for you. The upcoming videos and accompanying workbooks and checklists along the way will empower you as you make informed decisions and achieve the results you desire. No more uncertainty or stress, just a clear path to selling your home with confidence. So, what can you expect from this video series? Well, we're going to cover everything you need to know to make the home selling process as smooth as possible. From prepping your home for sale to staging it for maximum appeal, from pricing it right to negotiating like a pro, we've got you covered. But this isn't just any ordinary series. We want it to be as interactive as possible. So we encourage you to reach out with any questions or concerns you might have along the way. Simply drop us a comment below in the videos or call and we'll make sure to get back to you with answers and an additional guidance. Also, don't keep this valuable information all to yourself. If you know someone who's thinking about selling their home or would benefit from these tips, go ahead and share this series with them. After all, sharing is caring, right? We've put a lot of effort into creating these videos and we genuinely hope you find them enjoyable and beneficial. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge and help you navigate the home selling process with confidence. So get ready to learn, grow, and make the most out of your home sale. Remember, we're here for you every step of the way. So let's embark on this exciting journey together. Stay tuned for the first video series coming your way very, very soon.